It's not only this year but almost a decade, people are facing a recession in their economics. The advancement in technology has made our life easier but at the same time, created a lot of unemployment. Since machines are capable of multitasking had reduced the manpower. As Warren Buffett says, one must have at least 6 different sources of income for a healthier lifestyle. Similarly, every individual should have to create at least 3 to 4 different sources of revenue. The internet has provided a lot of ways to earn money online. But many people are still searching for online jobs from home. Why? Because they are not ready to learn. People hunt for money and dream of earning money online is easier than they think. Practically, online money making is a difficult task, and without knowledge, you will end up in a scam. The internet provides an opportunity for every people to earn money from the comfort of their home. But, you need to find the right platform and dedicate yourself to earn money. For your easiness, I have recommended simple idea that doesn't cost you nothing but the potential it's great. These days, local businesses are finding many ways to reach their potential customers. To mend fens, break the boundaries created by distance, blogs are an outreach vehicle for any business. In fact, they have always wanted to build a brand, grow social traffic, provide authority content, enhance customers' engagement, and more. However, they don't have time to invest in these online tasks and prefer outsourcing than doing it on their own. Well, smart businesses and high-ticket media agencies understand the proven power of having a business blog. But unfortunately, the top reason most businesses never start, or try and stop blogging, is a lack of consistent quality content. To solve this problem and help you turn this into a gold mine, with this package, I'm sure that your local blog services could come in and offer a proven way to truly help these local businesses while putting in minimal effort on your part. The package is an enormous DIY bundle and ready-made local blogging business. This includes 20 specifically designed, lead-gen blog sites in 20 big spending local offline niches. The best part is, it requires minimal effort, all blogs are auto-content curating, and all have initial niche content included. With the lead gen design built into these blogs, you can offer a service that will instantly enhance a large number of marketing aspects for your clients. This one service enhances so many vital marketing elements for any business: SEO status, social marketing, branding, authority, engagement, and now lead generation. I would like to share my thoughts about this package. I'll make it super simple for you to make this decision. Just start from a simple question: how much will it cost to start the whole business? 3-figure number or up, to be sure. Apart from finances you might deal with, there are tons of other problems you just cannot simply handle when you start your business from the scratch. I have to say, a complete package like this can help you offer your quality services to many local businesses. Everyone needs this. Especially, with the quality of each blog site, I'm sure that your customers will be very grateful to pay for your service. You know, you can be a talented local consultant, open a great media agency, and walk on the easiest way to change your career path and your life with this package. I think that this product is really suitable for everyone who wants to make money online regardless of experiences or levels. All you have to pay for this package is free, only $2.99 to cover costing fee. This is a reasonable price for all you need to start a business. Even if you're a newbie or a veteran, this product will absolutely provide you with enormous benefits that I bet you can't resist. You know, there are not many chances to gain profits like this in the market, as nowadays you can easily see various overrated products launched with high price tags. I hope you know this is a golden opportunity for you to make money. So this is the end of my review. Hopefully, this is a good chance to start, so don't hesitate, grab the download link and start offering the service to your local businesses today.